Transforming remodeling with the hidden agreement. Imagine a remodeling world where financial barriers vanish. Many homeowners hesitate to enhance their spaces due to daunting upfront costs. What if contractors could offer a solution that unlocks financial freedom while building wealth for all stakeholders? Enter the Home Equity Invoice Agreement, HEIA, a flexible payment approach that ties contractor compensation to increased property value. For homeowners, this means no loans, no interest, and zero stress. Contractors gain an equity stake, motivating them to deliver value-rich projects while sharing in the rewards. HEIA redefines norms, making remodeling accessible. Homeowners can maximize their home's potential without upfront expenditures. Contractors, by aligning their goals with clients' financial growth, can establish deeper trust and long-term business opportunities, boosting income and reputation simultaneously. This is your moment to embrace HEIA and transform the way you define success. Empower homeowners, elevate your business, and join the movement reshaping remodeling financing. Take the first step toward mutual growth. Start offering this game-changing payment solution today.